Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. Children, in this sum, I would like to introduce a formula to you, and I will tell you why I will be doing so. Look at the pattern. Okay, first let me tell you the formula. The formula is whatever the term, let's identify or let's recognize the position of the number as n. Okay, position of the term is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, where a stands for the first term, okay, n stands for the position of that term, and d stands for the difference between two patterns or two positions or two terms. All right, not positions, two terms. So look at this thing. Okay, if we take this as three patterns, okay, the first pattern has 1 square, first position 1 square, yeah, second position 2 squares, third position 3 squares. So here in that case n will depict the position. All right, now in the first position, that the first square, how many sticks are there? 1 2 3 4 sticks. In the second position, how many sticks are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Third one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the difference that we've identified is of 3, right? Difference is of 3. Okay, so if I have to, so I will explain what number will go with each letter. Okay, right now let's move on to 5a. Draw the next pattern in the sequence. So the next pattern will be position number 4. That means 4 squares, correct? So every time we add a square, the number increases by 3, rather 3 sticks are added. So this is my first position. Oh, so this is, okay, 1 square, not first position, 2 squares, 3 squares and 4 squares. Is that correct? So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So our next diagram will have 4 squares with 13 sticks. All right. Describe the term to term rule in the sequence for the number of sticks and justify it by relating it to the pattern. Alright, so yes, we've got a term to term rule, children. So what's our term to term rule? A term to term rule is add 3, okay, and how do I justify it? Each time a square in the pattern is added, 3 sticks are required. Okay. Without drawing the pattern, calculate the number of sticks needed to complete a diagram with 20 squares. So what did I tell you? So now is the time when you will introduce the formula. Okay, so we are not going to sit and draw squares. They have clearly said without drawing the pattern, and then it becomes too tedious as well. So calculate the number of sticks. So my formula says Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1, the whole thing multiplied by D. Let me write the pattern. Let me make my table. Remember, initially I had made a table. First position, or rather first, one square, 4 sticks. Second position, 2 squares, 7 sticks. Third position, 3 squares, 10. And fourth position, 4 squares and 13. So now, as stated, okay, A will be my first term, which is 4. N, I need the 20th square with a diagram with 20 squares. That means it's going to be my 20th position. So I'm going to write 20 for N. What is the difference? Each time I add 3. Correct? So my difference is 3. 3 into 20 gives me 60. 3 into minus 1 gives me 3. Sixty plus 4, 64 minus 3. Answer 61. So how many sticks will my 20th square have? My diagram with 20 squares will have 61 sticks. Alright children, clear how we've made use of the formula? This is the only formula that you need to know up till now where you have a common difference. Yes, as you know, maths can always get a level higher. So when there is a difference, okay, we'll learn them as well. But as of now, at this grade, with an introduction of sequences, we start with the common difference. Alright? Now, a pattern in the sequence is made from 175 sticks. How many squares are there? So, same formula, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So now instead of this Tn, I'm going to write 175. A is 4. N we have to find out, and D is 3. 175 is equal to 4 plus multiply the 3 with both the terms inside the bracket. So it's going to be 3 into N, 3N. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 175 is equal to 3n plus 1 plus 4 minus 3 gives me plus 1. Alright, 175 minus 1 gives me 3n. Yeah, so it becomes 1, or rather I'll write it as 3n is equal to 174. N is equal to 174 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, remainder 2, 24, 3 8s are 24. So how many squares will have 175 sticks? 58 squares will, or rather can be made with 175 sticks. Alright? Our next part says, explain why there will not be a pattern in the sequence made from 386 squares. Now children, remember, it is a pattern where you need to add 3. So this number has to be divisible by 3. Let's see if this gets divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Carry down 8, 3, 2s are 6, 2, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. So we don't have, this 386 is not divisible by 3. Hence, what should our explanation be? There won't be a pattern in the sequence made from 386 sticks because 386 is not divisible by 3. Alright? So we could either need 387. Let me see. No, is it 387? No, 86. 6. Let's see, 385. 385. No, not even 385. 384. Let me check. 3 ones are 3. 0, 8. 3 twos are 6. 2 8s. So we need 384 sticks to make a pattern of 128 squares, or a pattern of 129 squares if 387 sticks are there. Okay, that's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.